For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
IPL chairman Brijesh Patel has said that BCCI will end the T20 League's title sponsor dilemma by August 18th, as all the interested companies will be given 7-day period to submit the bid. Last week, Chinese mobile brand Vivo decided to back out of the league's title sponsorship due to simmering tensions between India and China at the LAC. Former Indian cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar feels that the next two IPL editions can very well change the dynamics of Indian T20 squad, as players like Rishabh Pant and MS Dhoni will get two chances to stake a claim in the national team for the T20 World Cup next year. Manjrekar feels a player like Rishabh Pant needs to show more consistency to stake a claim in the Indian team. Discarded Indian cricketer Manoj Tiwari has said that he was supposed to make his Indian debut in 2007 against Bangladesh but couldn't because on the eve of the match he dislocated his shoulder and had to wait for a year to play for the country. Manoj made his debut against Australia in 2008, but his career could last for only 7 years. Former Pakistan pacer Shoaib Akhtar has praised former Indian skipper Sourav Ganguly and called him a tough opposition and a courageous skipper during his time. Akhtar added that he had a great time playing for Kolkata Knight Riders in the opening season of IPL under Ganguly. England pacer James Anderson has shrugged off retirement talks and said that he is still hungry to play Test cricket for Three Lions and is not doing so for personal milestones. Anderson could take only one wicket against Pakistan in Manchester, which has given fodder to his critics who believe that he is playing to reach 600 wicket club in Tests. Former Pakistan skipper Ramiz Raja has criticized the current Pakistan team for losing the Manchester Test by 3 wickets despite dominating the first 3 days of the Test match. Pakistan batsmen collapsed in the second innings, which set England a total of 277 runs in the 4th innings, which Raja believed was a turning point of the game. The ICC Board of Directors met on Monday but failed to reach consensus over Shashank Manohar's replacement as the next chairman of cricket's global governing body. Manohar stepped down as ICC chairman last month and there is lack of a strong candidate to take over the job in the ICC. Sri Lankan cricket on Monday expressed optimism that the planned Lankan Premier League will get underway from August 28th as planned, despite the threat of corona looming large in the entire country. The league has found a new sponsor, but the organisers are waiting from the health advisory from the central government. Portuguese football star Cristiano Ronaldo has been named as Juventus' Star Player of the Year for his sensational performance in the last season. Ronaldo had ended 2019-20 season with 37 goals and broke Felice Borrell's record of scoring most goals for the club in one season.